What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another episode of Hola Me with me, Stacey Candy. And the festive season is officially in full swing. So, for those in Kenya, Jamhuri Day is tomorrow, so happy Jamhuri Day. And for us who are beginning our festive season, let's keep it cooking and keep on cooking as much as possible. So, for this video, we are going to be making a requested recipe by one of you over here. Thank you so much, Lindsay. And remember, I always let you know that you can request for any recipe that you want in the comment section below. So remember to keep them coming. And also for the next videos, there will be requested videos. So if you haven't subscribed, remember to click the button below to subscribe and the bell notification to get notified of anything new I upload. So without much further ado, karibuni, twende tukapike, twende jikoni. For our ingredients, we have ginger and garlic paste, some beef which is already boiled using salt and pepper, onions, some dania stems, tomatoes, bell pepper, this is green, yellow and red, some dania leaves, tomato paste and our coconut milk. For our spices, we have some cumin powder, black pepper, garam masala, curry powder, turmeric, paprika, coriander and salt. To begin, we're going to add in some bit of oil into our cooking pan or cooking sufuria. Then add in our onions and fry until they are golden brown in color. Then next, add in your garlic and ginger paste and mix it in with your onions and let it fry for some very few seconds. Then next, we're going to add in our dania stems and let it fry for about 2 to 3 minutes with the garlic and ginger paste. Next, add in your bell peppers. These are the green, yellow and red hoho or green bell peppers, and let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring they don't overcook. Once our bell peppers are cooked for those few minutes, next we're going to add in our tomatoes, followed by our spices. So for our spices, we're going to have tomato paste, then cumin powder, black pepper, paprika, garam masala, curry powder, turmeric and coriander. Then we're going to mix it all together and finally add in our salt. Cover everything and then let your tomatoes cook along with the spices until you have a thick paste. After about 3 to 5 minutes, our thick paste is already forming, and next we're just going to add in our beef and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. And guys, at this point, once your beef is ready, you can remove it, garnish and serve because it's as ready as it is for eating. Next, we're just going to make our meal more flavorful. So if you're sticking along, let's continue making our meal more flavorful. To add in more flavor, we're going to add in our coconut milk into our meal and then stir it and cover it and let it just simmer for a few minutes before we serve. Remember guys, I told you don't have to go to this step where you add your coconut milk, because once you add in your meat at the previous step, your meal is as good as ready to be served. Remember, you should never have a boring time in the kitchen. It should always be a fun and amazing time as you cook, building up on flavors. We are finally done, guys, with making our meal. But as usual, today we are not going to have our meal with me over here for tasting on the video. Reason being, as I was taking the photograph of the outcome, though I didn't even finish garnishing, some visitors came home. And in Africa, during the festive season, you're sure to get so many visitors and at an expected time. So that's what happened, and I had to give them the food that I'd prepared to eat along with rice. So, but as always, you can prepare the recipe, take a photo of it and tag me with the outcome on Instagram at Stacey Candy, and I'll be sure to share it to the world. So for now, it's goodbye for me, and remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and as well the bell notification to get notified of any new recipe that I upload or anything new that I'll be uploading on my channel. So that's it for now. Goodbye, and remember to keep it healthy on life and active hours on meals at all times. Till next time, goodbye. Tutane wiki ijayo, same time, same place.
Tusipendeza kimwili tu, mfuate Mungu tu, tusome Biblia tujijenge roho juu, natembea by the spirit, sifuati ya dunia na kwa